Oh, thank you, Jesus. Ile bahuri basai kayanda ya. Iya kaliborobo sandala baba ya. Yando robo zandele behando ya. For the people that sat in a great darkness, ilahando robo ya. Have seen my great light, ilabahanda ya. Behold, you stand blessed, ye people that have searched and never found, because there was great darkness. Iyandorobo seka yanderi bahanda la bruhata yandaya. Andorobo sikeri bababaya. Andala bruhabibi andorobo sandala bababaya. I see a little touch, little light that is being used to search for something precious in a very dark room. And I see a pan on a head that is walking for miles in search of water. But rejoice, my people, saith the Lord. Rejoice, ye that have been in darkness, and rejoice, ye that have been with water. For I have brought to you light, and you will see that which has been lost for years. What you have been searching for years and not found. What you've been looking for, what you have been desiring. Today I have brought my light in its fullness, so that it shall be easy for you to find, to search, to find, to locate that which will bring you joy, that which will bring you fulfillment in life. Rejoice, for I am not only giving you water, but I'm opening the heavens for a downpour. I'm opening the heavens for a downpour. For a downpour, am I opening the heavens? For yea, like Peter searched all night and found nothing. Yea, like fishermen seeking fish in the sea, so large and yet catching nothing. I am causing that way, that door to be opened. Oh yes, I am the God that caused Peter to receive that abundant catch. For yea, some of you have searched and searched and searched for treasures, for doors that would be opened. I speak to you as my children, and I'm telling you once again that many years of seeking is coming to an end. For your season of abundance is here. For some, it shall be as though they were walking on the moon, because it will be difficult to believe. For others, it would be as if they are swimming on the surface of a sea. They are lying on the surface of the ocean. Because it shall be like a dream unto you. For others, it will seem as though they are flying. Something that is not possible to do. To prove to you that I am that I am. Key into my word, for the season, and enjoy the blessing that comes with it. Believe in me. Believe also in my prophets. Believe in my word. This is your season. To him that believes, To him that hears and believes, the signs shall be too many to fail you, saith the Spirit of God. Thank you, Jesus.